Let's look at this question now. Rahul has 5 email IDs, each with a different email service provider among A mail, B mail, C mail, D mail, and F mail. Okay, so there are 5 email service providers. The maximum size of an email that can be sent using an email ID of a service provider is called the mail limit of the service provider. The mail limit of each of the 5 email service providers is a distinct value among 5 MB, 10 MB, 15 MB, 20 MB, and 25 MB. Not necessarily in that order. As soon as you see this, it becomes irritating. On a particular day, Rahul sent exactly 7 emails, each to a different friend among Virat, Shikhar, Rohit, Parthiv, Ashish, Ravi, and Ashwin. The following information is known about the emails that he sent. He sent at least one email using each email ID. Okay. The mail limit of a mail is greater than 15 MB, but he did not send an email using a mail to Shikhar. So I'll write it down. A mail. This is the service provider. And then mail limit. So I will call it mail limit is greater than 15 MB. So it will either be 20 or be 25. And then it will be to the friend that it has gone. I know Shikhar cannot come here. Okay. He sent 2 emails, one to Rohit and one to Parthiv using the same email ID, the mail limit of which was 10 MB. Okay, so mail limit 10, mail limit 10. These two are same, and he sent it to Rohit and Parthiv. So Rohit here and Parthiv here. Okay, done. He used Dmail to send an email of size 11 MB to Virat. Okay, Dmail. Let me also include one more parameter, size 11 MB to Virat, and because it is 11 MB, the capacity for Dmail will either be 15 or 20 or 25. These are the capacities for Dmail, mail limit for Dmail, and the maximum size of any email that he sent to any of the 7 persons was 23 MB. Okay. So now I know 23% will definitely go with the email with mail limit of 25. So Dmail cannot be 25. This I know. It will either be 15 or 20. We'll see. He used the email ID with a mail limit of 15 MB to send an email only to Ashwin. Okay. So 15 MB goes only to Ashwin. Which means Dmail can't be 15. It has to necessarily be 20 now. And because Dmail necessarily has to be 20, email will necessarily be 25 now. Mail limit for email will necessarily be 25. And when this is 25, the size of the mail sent here will be 23. Okay. I don't know which mail ID here. I know these two are identical. I don't know which mail ID here. Okay. He used Bmail to send exactly 2 emails, one of which was to Ashish, and he used Fmail to send an email of size 12 MB. Bmail was used twice, and this I know, whichever mail ID was used for Ashwin was used only once. So Bmail will be different, and 2 emails, one of which was to Ashish. So Bmail cannot come here because here friends involved are Rohit and Parthiv. So I have Bmail here and Bmail here, one of which was to Ashish. Okay, can you see 25 is getting used up, 10 is getting used up, 10 is getting used up, 20 is getting used up, 15 is getting used up. So Bmail will have a capacity of 5 MB only. And I also remember from the second point, email is not used to send a mail to Shikhar. There are just 2 spots left in friends, so Shikhar will necessarily come here. Now among the friends, which is the only friend left? Virat is used up, Shikhar is used up, Rohit is used up, Parthiv is used up, Ashish is used up, Ashwin is used up. The only one left is Ravi. So Ravi is getting the mail here. Okay. and used Fmail to send an email of size 12. So it will either go via the 15 or the 20 or the 25 route. 20 and 25 are already used up. So this will now be Fmail. Fmail and size of the mail sent here is 12 MB. Now the only mail ID that has not been used up, and it has to be used up because every email ID was used. He sent at least one email using each email ID. So this will now be Cmail. We don't know the size of the email sent here and size of the email sent here, but every other information is available. Let's get to individual questions. Rahul sent an email using Bmail to which of the following persons? Bmail was to Ashish and Shikhar. Shikhar is here, so option D. What is the mail limit of in MB of Fmail? Fmail has a mail limit of 15, so answer is 15. Using which of the following email service providers did Rahul send emails to two different persons? Okay, answer can either be Cmail or Bmail. Bmail is not present, Cmail is present. So option B, Cmail. Which of the following can be the size of the email that he sent to Shikhar? Shikhar is receiving email from Bmail. Size limit is 5, so anything under 5, there is just one option under 5. So option A, 3 MB. Fairly straightforward distribution based question. You record everything appropriately, you should reach your answer quickly.